Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm, and I've just recently been sent this cool new tent light. It was sent to me by a gentleman by the name of Jeff Rutherford. He's out of Florida, and he's come out with a cool invention. I'm going to endorse this, by the way. I love it. It's super lightweight. It's made from, I would assume, I'm gonna call this a pool noodle, or I mean, it's styrofoam, and there is an LED light that is super, super bright in the middle of this thing. And I mean, I don't know of anywhere in a car I could not use this. I could illuminate the interior of this car, and I could cut out front windshields, rear windows, quarter windows, anything where you need some contrast and a light behind. And what's pretty cool about it is it has a cigarette lighter adapter plug that you plug into the cigarette lighter and press this red button, and boom, it comes on. A lot of people are telling me, including Jeff, that you can go buy one of those little car battery jumpers, and you typically want to keep those around the shop anyway to jump cars off that go dead. But you can plug this in to one of those with an adapter, and this whole unit's battery is self-contained. You don't really need the battery from the car if you choose, if you want to be mobile or just don't want to deal with the car battery. But if not, you can just plug this right in. I think this cord is at least, I think 6 feet, or sometimes 10 feet. It is actually very simple. This is the Tintlight, and I would highly recommend this. Anybody that just wants a cool light around the shop to do anything with window tinting inside of cars.